What are your dreams and aspirations? What are the things that you're planning to achieve in 2024? So once you already make your goals and objectives that you're going to achieve in 2024, I know that most organizations are making their goals and objectives for the year, and I think it would be wise that you also make your own goals as a person. What are your personal goals in 2024? What would you like to achieve in 2024? So you can do this by doing a vision board, and a vision board is just a graphical presentation of the things that you'd like to achieve. So you can use the words in paper form, or you can use a digital vision board. So for the wording, or a vision board that is kind of made of paper, you can write all the words that come into mind when you think about your vision for 2024. What are the things that come to mind when you think about your vision for 2024? So if you're planning, for example, to buy a new car, new house, things to do with lifestyle, things to do with investment. So you can write those words and then break it down. For example, if it's a car, let's think of car. If it's a house, are you buying a new house, or are you renovating? If it's career-wise, are you changing jobs, or are you getting a promotion, or are you learning something new so that it can advance you in your career? Or in terms of lifestyle, what are you planning to do? Are you planning to lose weight, add weight, travel, etc.? So you can put those words in a vision board so that you're able to visualize them or to see them every day. And for the digital vision board, I normally use the Canva. Canva, it's an app you can download, or you can use it without downloading. And they have kind of a library of photos that you can use and videos that you can use. So you can actually create using combination of photos and videos using the free form of Canva. You can also, of course, do the premium Canva when you have more access to their library, and then you can save that so that you're able to refer on a daily basis. So the bottom line is to have all the parts, to track all the parts um, of your goals and objectives into something that you can visualize. It's why it's called a vision board. So don't make one today, and if you have any difficulties, please put in the comment section, and I can actually like guide you based on your goals and objectives. So I think basically, yeah, you can do a vision board. It's very easy, so you don't have to really overthink. Just get right into it after you make your goals and objectives. So for that, thank you for today.